With Elon Musk's groundbreaking vision for Mars colonization unveiled, are we on the brink of witnessing a monumental leap in interplanetary exploration? Welcome to Revel Discovery, your portal to a world of discoveries and insights. Let's embark on an extraordinary journey through the cosmos, delving into the riveting world of Mars colonization and the captivating aspirations of none other than the visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk. For years, the scientific community has been enthralled by the tantalizing idea of humans establishing a sustainable presence on the enigmatic red planet. At the forefront of this cosmic frontier is Musk, the mastermind behind SpaceX, whose relentless dedication and innovative spirit have propelled humanity toward the seemingly distant dream of Martian habitation. The heart of this ongoing debate centers around the feasibility of turning Mars into a second home for humans. Elon Musk, often hailed as a modern-day space pioneer, has embraced this challenge with vigor and determination. In this immersive video, we'll take you through the intricate layers of Musk's ingenious strategy to make Mars a hospitable environment for humanity, step by step. Elon Musk's fascination with Mars colonization is more than just an ambitious dream. It's a tangible mission that has captured the imagination of millions. While some critics might view this vision as a moonshot, Musk's audacious spirit has never been deterred by skepticism. The essence of his strategy lies in the belief that our current planet might eventually become an inhospitable wasteland due to various factors, prompting the need to secure an alternative habitat for humanity. Musk's brainchild, SpaceX, has been at the forefront of technological innovation with its groundbreaking rocket designs and reusability concepts. But what exactly are the building blocks of Musk's Martian master plan? To begin with, Mars has emerged as a prime candidate for colonization due to its proximity and relative habitability when compared to other celestial bodies. Though about 140 million miles away, Mars still receives a decent amount of sunlight, despite its chilly climate. Interestingly, humans could potentially warm up the Martian environment by compressing its atmosphere, which primarily consists of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon, and other trace gases. One of the intriguing aspects Musk emphasizes is Mars' close-to-Earth 24-hour, 37-minute day cycle and its gravity, which is roughly 38% of Earth's. This suggests that humans might be able to adapt and survive on Mars more easily than on other planets. But, as Musk candidly points out, the journey to Mars presents its own set of challenges. A trip to Mars is estimated to take around 6 months, requiring approximately 1,000 spacecraft and a staggering million tons of supplies. Elon Musk envisions a self-sustaining city on Mars as the key to long-term colonization success. It's not just about sending humans there. It's about establishing the infrastructure and resources needed to support life. However, a significant hurdle lies in the logistics of resupplying the Martian settlers. Returning to Earth from Mars requires careful planning, as the distances and conditions are quite different from what we're accustomed to. NASA, for instance, has been working on supply missions to Mars that aren't geared towards tourism, but rather sustaining life on the red planet. A pivotal factor in Mars colonization revolves around sustainability. The Martian environment is distinct from Earth's, requiring innovative solutions for survival. Spurred by these challenges, SpaceX has been developed by Starship, a colossal spacecraft designed to carry humans and cargo to Mars. With its reusable nature and impressive payload capacity, the Starship could revolutionize the way we approach interplanetary travel. The Starship's propulsion system relies on SpaceX's cutting-edge Raptor engines, a total of 42 of them to be exact. This behemoth of a spacecraft is envisioned to be 25 stories tall and boasts capabilities such as lifting an entire Boeing 747. Musk envisions the Starship as a cornerstone of Mars colonization, launching approximately 3 times a day on average, carrying a 100-ton payload per flight. But how will this massive endeavor be sustained? Musk's plan outlines a continuous stream of Starship launches, with over 1,000 flights per year, each carrying more than 100 tons of cargo. This staggering amount would create a stockpile of 100,000 tons of cargo in Mars orbit, ready to be utilized for building the Martian colony. Of course, Musk's plans extend beyond just launching starships into space. His vision also involves strategic placement of landing zones on Mars, near subsurface water and ice deposits. These areas are strategically positioned to receive optimal sunlight for the solar panels that will power the Martian colony. And yes, even the fuel needed for these missions is expected to be produced on Mars, thanks to the innovative Sabatier process, which converts Martian resources into methane and oxygen essential for rocket fuel. However, it's important to note that Musk doesn't anticipate the colonization of Mars happening overnight. He acknowledges that the first pioneers might face challenges and even potential hazards. Nevertheless, Musk envisions a Mars colony thriving with activity, including jobs and a unique form of direct democracy. One intriguing aspect of Musk's plan is the potential involvement of his other venture, the Boring Company. Known for its tunneling projects on Earth, this company might find itself digging the Martian surface to access subsurface water, an invaluable resource for sustaining life. Musk's foresight is remarkable, as he even envisions deep subsurface encampments to shield settlers from ionizing radiation, a testament to his comprehensive approach to colonization. Maintaining communication between Earth and Mars is another puzzle that Musk seeks to solve through his Starlink satellite network. This satellite constellation aims to provide global internet coverage, which could be invaluable for maintaining contact with a distant Martian colony. As we ponder Musk's Martian dreams, it's crucial to acknowledge the grandeur and complexity of his vision. He envisions a base on Mars by 2028, a proposition that has sparked both excitement and skepticism among experts. While many applaud his audacity, some life support experts remain cautious, expressing doubts about the readiness of the technologies needed for a self-sustaining Martian colony. One key element in Musk's broader plan is the concept of terraforming Mars, transforming its atmosphere and conditions to resemble Earth's. Although the idea of nuking Mars, as Musk once humorously suggested, might be far-fetched, his vision encompasses a more gradual process. This could involve melting the carbon dioxide-rich ice caps on Mars to release gases that could thicken its atmosphere and create a warmer climate. However, NASA has expressed reservations about this concept, citing the challenge of creating a stable and hospitable atmosphere on Mars. Unlike Earth, Mars has less than 1% of Earth's atmospheric density, akin to a vacuum cleaner. As such, the road to terraforming remains a formidable challenge. Elon Musk's ambitious plans extend beyond the bounds of Earth and Mars. SpaceX has been actively developing prototypes of the Starship at its South Texas facility. These prototypes have undergone rigorous testing, representing significant strides toward Musk's Martian goals. While the colonization of Mars remains a long-term endeavor, it serves as a testament to human imagination, innovation, and determination. Elon Musk's audacious vision, fueled by a boundless curiosity about the universe, has pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. And while challenges abound, it's the very audacity that has potential to reshape humanity's future among the stars. So, fellow explorers, as we conclude this journey through Elon Musk's Mars colonization plans, remember that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning of our adventure. Stay tuned for more captivating insights into the mysteries of the universe as we continue to explore the realms of possibility, guided by the visionary minds of our time. Do you believe that humanity will truly establish a sustainable presence on Mars? And what do you think will be the biggest challenges we'll face along the way? Engage with us by leaving a comment, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell for regular updates. Keep watching, stay inspired, and get ready for more exciting discoveries. See you in our next episode.